Okay, so shampooing stage, mate.
Reset.
Yeah, really good for coated vehicles, this. It's got no gloss enhancements in it.
So you can use it on any colour vehicle, your mattes, your satins.
Yeah, high density foam with this, highly concentrated, so little goes a long way. But main thing is coated vehicles.
Yeah, two bucket method.
Rejuvenates the coating.
Just let it glide.
Yeah, so I'll give that one a whirl as well, mate. Very positive to start with, so we're going to move on to the shampoo stage now with Reset.
Yep.
So we're going to crack on with the 2 bucket method now.
Just make sure we have got a mitt and not a cap.
So James, we're now on to the wash stage with Reset.
Mate, I've got to say, that's a cracking shampoo. One of my favourites.
One of my favourites now as well, to be fair. 3 capfuls in a bucket, that's all we put in, and that was more than enough.
Shush it up with a pressure washer. It's safe for matte vehicles. It's great to reinvigorate coated vehicles.
Yeah, it worked really well. Felt quite slick, loads of lubrication in it, so.
That's exactly what you want. You can't ask for any more.
Yeah, very good shampoo that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.